Imagine a world where everyone treated each other with respect and kindness. Respect at its core means recognizing the inherent value of someone or something. It's about acknowledging people's rights, dignity and individuality. It's not just about agreeing with someone's point of view, but understanding that they have their own experiences, beliefs and feelings that shape who they are. Kindness is often seen as actions that show care, compassion and empathy, but it's also about the intention behind those actions. Offering help when you can, sharing a smile, or simply being patient with others. It's less about huge gestures and more about consistency and being considerate, whether that's through words or